Question number 1. Counseling is mainly aimed at. The right option is option B, changing behavior. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a principle of counseling? The right option is option C, imposing counselor decision. Question number 3. The basic purpose of counseling in health education is. The right option is option D, to promote preventive behavior. Question number 4. Which skill is most essential for an effective counselor? The right option is option A, active listening. Question number 5. Counseling is different from health teaching because it is. The right option is option B, client centered and problem solving. Question number 6. Which of the following is a type of counseling? The right option is option D, all of the above. Question number 7. In counseling, rapport building means. The right option is option B, establishing trust and relationship. Question number 8. Which one is the first step of counseling process? The right option is option D, relationship building. Question number 9. In counseling, confidentiality means. The right option is option B, keeping clients' information private. Question number 10. Counseling in family planning aims to. The right option is option D, provide informed choice and guidance. Question number 11. Which communication technique is best in counseling? The right option is option A, two-way communication. Question number 12. Counseling is considered successful when. The right option is option C, client understands, accepts, and acts on decision. Question number 13. The role of counselor in health counseling is. The right option is option B, to help client explore problems and solutions. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a quality of a good counselor? The right option is option C, judgmental attitude. Question number 15. The main barrier to effective counseling is. The right option is option A, language and cultural differences. Question number 16. Counseling in health education mainly focuses on. The right option is option B, behavior change and decision making. Question number 17. Which of the following is the best description of counseling? The right option is option C, interactive problem solving process. Question number 18. The approach where the counselor takes the lead and suggests solutions is called. The right option is option D, directive counseling. Question number 19. The counseling method where the client is encouraged to solve his own problems with support is. The right option is option B, non-directive counseling. Question number 20. Eclectic counseling means. The right option is option A, use of both directive and non-directive methods. Question number 21. Which of the following is an example of preventive counseling? The right option is option A, counseling before HIV test. Question number 22. Group counseling is best used when. The right option is option B, problems are common and shared. Question number 23. In counseling, feedback means. The right option is option D, asking clients understanding and response. Question number 24. Which of the following is not a stage of counseling process? The right option is option D, surgery. Question number 25. Which of the following describes empathy in counseling? The right option is option B, understanding client feeling as if they were your own. Question number 26. Pre-test and post-test counseling is most important in. The right option is option B, HIV testing. Question number 27. Confidentiality in counseling is broken only when. The right option is option D. Client is at risk of harming self or others. Question number 28. A good counseling session should end with. The right option is option B, summarizing key points and next steps. Question number 29. Counseling is best defined as. The right option is option C, helping client to understand and solve problems. Question number 30. Which is the primary role of a health counselor? The right option is option B, to guide and support behavior change. Question number 31. Which of the following is a barrier in counseling? The right option is option C, using medical jargon. Question number 32. the counseling method useful for students with academic problems is? The right option is option D, all of the above. Question number 33. Which step comes last in the counseling process? Right option is option A, termination with follow-up plan. Question number 34. One of the most important ethical principle in counseling is? The right option is option A, confidentiality. Question number 35. A client-centered counseling approach is mainly? The right option is option A, non-directive. Question number 36. Which of the following is not a benefit of counseling? The right option is option D, increases hospital admission rate. Question number 37. The skill of paraphrasing in counseling means? The right option is option B, summarizing in your own words to check understanding. Question number 38. Counseling differs from health education because? The right option is option A. It is one-to-one and personalized. Question number 39. An effective counselor should avoid? The right option is option C, being judgmental. Question number 40. Which is an example of rehabilitative counseling? The right option is option A, counseling a patient after drug addiction treatment. Question number 41. Which communication type is least effective in counseling? The right option is option C, one-way lecture communication. Question number 42. Which of the following is not included in qualities of a counselor? The right option is option C, aggressiveness. Question number 43. A good counseling session should start with? The right option is option A, rapport building and greeting. Question number 44. Which of the following is an important listening skill in counseling? The right option is option B, nodding and using verbal cues. Question number 45. The type of counseling used when both counselors' advice and clients' participation are balanced is? The right option is option C, eclectic. Question number 46. In health education, counseling is mainly applied for? The right option is option A, family planning, HIV/AIDS, mental health. Question number 47. Which one is the first goal of counseling? The right option is option D, establish trust and relationship. Question number 48. Which of the following statements about counseling is true? The right option is option B. Counseling empowers clients to make informed decisions. Question number 49. Which factor increases the effectiveness of counseling? The right option is option D. Empathy and trust. Question number 50. Counseling is considered part of which level of prevention? The right option is option C, secondary prevention.